To help explain unsupervised learning, let's use a simple analogy. Imagine you're given these blocks and you're asked to organize them. The question is, how would you do it? You might notice the blocks can be organized in different ways, by color, by shape, or even by size. You're not given any instructions or labels, so it's up to you to find patterns and decide how to group them. This is very similar to what happens in unsupervised learning. The machine isn't given any labeled data. Instead, it has to figure out how to organize or cluster the data on its own based on the patterns it detects. The options shown here are just two possible ways the blocks could be grouped, highlighting that there isn't always one correct answer. Just like in unsupervised learning, where the machine might group data in different ways depending on what patterns it finds most relevant. This method might be underappreciated, but it's incredibly powerful for discovering hidden structures in data, especially when we don't know what we're looking for. Now that we've discussed the concept of unsupervised learning using our block analogy, it's time for you to try it out yourself. This is an interactive demo where you can see unsupervised learning in action. When you click on the link, you'll be taken to a demo in Claude, where you can regenerate shapes and group them to see how unsupervised learning might organize them. You'll be able to experiment with different patterns and see how the algorithm groups the shapes based on the characteristics it detects, just like the way we discussed earlier. Go ahead and give it a try. It's a hands-on way to understand how unsupervised learning works and how it can identify patterns without any labels or prior instructions. Once you've explored the demo, we'll come back and discuss what you observed.